Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to move your taskbar to the top, left, or right in Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to power on your computer and wait for Windows 11 to fully load. Make sure everything is ready and all your startup programs have finished loading before proceeding with the next steps. This ensures the system is stable and responsive for the changes we're about to make. Once your PC is completely loaded and ready to go, locate your taskbar at the bottom of your screen. This is where Windows 11 places it by default. Now right-click anywhere on the taskbar itself. When you do this, a context menu will pop up with several options. From this menu, look for and click on Taskbar Settings. This will open the Taskbar Settings window where you can customize various aspects of your taskbar's appearance and behavior. Inside the Taskbar Settings window, you'll need to scroll down a bit until you find an option called Taskbar Location on screen. This is a drop-down menu that gives you control over where your taskbar appears on your display. Click on this drop-down to reveal all available positions. You'll see 4 options to choose from: left, top, bottom, or right. Each of these positions allows you to customize your workspace exactly how you prefer it. Go ahead and select whichever location works best for your workflow. For example, if you want your taskbar at the top of the screen, simply click on top. If you prefer it on the left or right side, select those options instead. The moment you make your selection, you'll immediately see your taskbar move to the new position you chose. There's no need to save or apply any changes manually. Windows 11 applies the new taskbar location instantly, so you can see exactly how it looks and decide if you want to keep it there or try a different position. And that's it. You've successfully moved your taskbar to a new location in Windows 11. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.